Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about V-cut abdominal workout for ripped obliques. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Having strong and well-trained oblique abdominal muscles can lead to a better body for several reasons. They support the spine, reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes, usually associated with excess belly fat, and improve the body's ability to perform other exercises. Appropriate sports movements strengthen the oblique muscles. Of course, in appearance, strong oblique muscles give a special charm and beauty to your body, but it is not just about appearance. So say goodbye to a normal crunch. Incorporate these fat-burning exercises that target the oblique muscles of your abdomen into your exercise program and be amazed at the results. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 4. Bicycle crunch. The bicycle crunch is one of the exercises related to the abdominal muscles. When moving in both directions, apply constant pressure to the area. The middle of your abdominal muscles is engaged with this exercise. Are you asking how to do a bicycle crunch? Lie on the floor with your palms behind your head. Lift the shoulder blades forward and raise the knees to the point where they form perpendicular to the ground at the anatomy of the body, abdominal muscles. The legs should be parallel to the ground. This is the starting point for the bicycle crunch. Now bring the right elbow and left knee closer together until you feel the abdominal muscles contract. Return to the starting point after a short pause. Repeat the same process with the left elbow and right knee. This process will be equal to 1 iteration. Move the bike crunch alternately and slowly. Important notes: remember to exhale when the abdominal muscles contract during the crunch of the move. When the abdominal muscles are released, inhale. If you feel pain in your lower back while doing the bicycle crunch, do basic anti-stretch and anti-rotation movements. Also, never put your hand behind your head in this position, as this will cause too much traction on your neck area. Number 3. Side plank. Side plank or plank on both sides is a type of plank movement that can be done both with your hand and with your elbow. It depends on the strength of your wrist. You should place one hand/elbow under the shoulder. Look forward and place both feet on top of each other. Keep your legs straight and lift your hips up off of the floor. Hold for 30 seconds to 1 minute. After doing this for one side, repeat the same process for the other side. If this exercise is easy for you, to increase the challenge, keep your hips floating above the ground and then lift back. How to do a plank? How long can you keep plank? You can do several sets of planks daily. It depends on your level. The main goal is to hold plank or complete other types of plank moves for 1 minute, 90 seconds, and finally 2 minutes. If you are a beginner athlete, you can stay in plank for 20 to 30 seconds. When you can hold the plank continuously for 1 minute, you are ready to perform all kinds of plank movements. If necessary, place your knee on the floor to rest and apply pressure to your hand/wrist. One of the most effective ways to increase the strength of the central muscles, in addition to doing exercises related to the whole body, is to do plank movement. Number 2. SpiderMan PushUp. By using SpiderMan PushUp, the body's strength reaches a high level. This exercise is a fundamental exercise and helps protect your back. You need a small space to do this. In addition, this move is very simple. The good news is that if you are familiar with regular push-ups, SpiderMan PushUp is very easy and certainly more active. To do SpiderMan PushUp, get into the regular push-up pose. When doing the movement, breathe and place your elbows at a 45-degree angle to the side of your body. Place your hand on the floor wider than shoulder width apart so you can better maintain your balance. Touch the elbow to the knee. Lower your body to the possible level. The goal is to touch the knee with your elbow. Control yourself as much as you can. Repeat the movement several times. Each time you do a regular push-up, simply pull one of your knees out and touch your elbow. Repeat this movement for each side. Almost any type of strength training or other exercises can be added to SpiderMan PushUp. You can do this before performing other chest targeting exercises such as plank. You can also do them as part of a heat workout. SpiderMan PushUp is great for body strength. Your chest, triceps, back, shoulders, and forearms are involved. This movement helps strengthen the abdominal muscles and oblique abdominal muscles. Increasing the strength of the legs and back muscles is also one of the properties of this movement. This movement is a great exercise to protect your back. You feel pressure in your chest, triceps, back, shoulders, and abdomen as you move, while you also feel an interaction in your hips and legs, especially the quadriceps. In particular, because one leg moves independently during the SpiderMan PushUp repetition, each leg, especially the hip flexor and quadriceps, is worked on separately. Number 1. Russian twist. Looking for a workout to lose fat and tighten your abdomen and hips? The Russian twist is your miracle. The Russian twist movement takes care of all the muscles of the abdomen and obliques. Especially if you have a lack of time and it is not possible to perform several abdominal and side movements. The Russian twist for the abdomen and hips can be done both at home and the gym using weights. This movement also strengthens the spine and prepares it for a well-shaped and strong abdomen. You can do this move both on the bench and on the floor. Sit on the floor on your mat. Raise the legs slightly so that the legs are crossed. Slightly tilt your upper body back and contract your abdominal muscles. Hands touch each other. While maintaining your balance, try to keep your upper body in a rotating position, keeping your legs steady. Focus on the abdominal and side muscles and keep your balance. Do not forget to inhale and exhale. Do at least 10 in 2 or 3 sets. It strengthens the back and spine, tightens and beautifies the abdominal and side muscles, increases the balance of the body, increases metabolism and fat burning as a result of slimming the whole body. Having a V-cut abdominal muscle may be achieved easily, but the effects it has on your appearance and your health cannot be neglected. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.